Wormhole, man. Wormhole is just a beast in terms of what they've actually done since they've been around. The actual amount of like bridging and stuff that's happened has been incredible. It's a true interoperability protocol. They've well established themselves as very, very good projects since the coin has launched, because they were existed prior to the coin launch. Since then, price has been pretty stable. It's done okay. I do think there are gains here, because I think this is going to be used immensely when this bull cycle starts going parabolic. So I want to talk about that in this vid. Before I get into it though, guys, if you're new here and you don't know what the spreadsheet is, it shows the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. Now, in all the videos, I showed myself buying up all of these coins. They were cryptos that I expected were going to make me a lot of money. Now, if you'd have done the same, let's say you'd have popped $200 into these coins when I released the videos, these are the prices that you'd have been able to buy at. All you would have needed to do is sit on the coins for around 15, 16 months and you'd been able to sell at these prices, and these are what your profits would have been. So 100 into each in under a year and a half would have netted your profit of over 123 grand. Now, depending on where you live, that might be a mansion, or that might not even get you a house, but that's bloody good regardless. Now, the thing is you don't have 15 or 16 months to sort your portfolios out. We're in a bull cycle right now. If you're not happy with the cryptos you own, or confident in the cryptos you own, then do something about it today. Get on to copymycrypto.com. That's the site I run, where I share with my members the coins that I own. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell any coin, I will tell my members the coin that I'm going to buy or sell, the price I'm going to do it at. So my members can copy along exactly. They make the same profit as me without any work at all. If you go onto the site, you'll see what my members have earned. You can read their testimonials. You can also watch the videos and see the successes that we've had. It's all public record as well, so you can literally verify it all online. And if you like what you see, guys, try out the service, because you've got nothing to lose before these markets start ripping. And it will help you make way better money than you make. Now, Wormhole. So Wormhole, as you can see, 75th in terms of market cap, launched this year, and yeah, launched at a decent price. Obviously, it's tumbled a bit since then. We've had a kind of a weird time since April, really. A lot of coins pulling back over from April to sort of now. Wormhole is the leading interoperability platform that powers multi-chain apps and bridges at huge scale. They provide developers access to liquidity and users on over 30 of the leading blockchain networks. And it enables users, enabling use cases that span DeFi, NFTs, governance, and more. The wider Wormhole network is trusted and used by teams like Circle and Uniswap, and to date, the platform has facilitated the transfer of over $40 billion through over 1 billion cross-chain messages. Think about that. That is what they've managed to achieve since being up and running. And it allows you to build multi-chain, whether it's Cosmos, whether it's Backpack, Circle, Solana, Uniswap, all these people use Wormhole. And look, one thing I will say, the site's got too many graphics. It is the most frustrating thing when a crypto site has too much graphics, because it's just clunky. Look at this. But it's Uniswap's most used multi-chain protocol. Think about that. Uniswap still and will probably forever be one of the most successful and biggest dexes in crypto. They've done 1 billion messages sent, as I said, 30 blockchains plus supported. If you want to check out the ecosystem, you've got C3, you've got Carrier, Hashflow, Jupiter, Magpie, Mayanswap, Portal, Synonym, Uniswap. You can check out the multi-chain apps that are part of Wormhole. As I said, I've just said a bunch of them. But you've got Pyth as well, which is the Oracle protocol. That's a Solana-based one. You've got Wombat, which is an interesting exchange. And then all of these as well. All of these. So these are the projects that are building with Wormhole. There's absolutely tons. They have grown this really damn fast. Since being up and running, they have absolutely exploded in use case. And they're probably going to continue pushing this very, very well. We can check out Wormhole Scan to actually see what they've been up and like what's happening across the actual exchange. So as you can see, as you can see, last 24 hours, 177,000 messages. Total messages has been over 1.05 billion. total volume has been 48 billion. Even just on 4-hour basis, nearly $29 million. You know, you can see the percentage breakdown. Of course, Ethereum is going to be highest. You would expect that. Solana isn't exactly far away, though. Well, Solana's about half that. You got Sui. But yeah, I mean, they're doing, like, the bridging has been huge. Like, Ethereum to Sol, Ethereum to Sui. You can see, like, the protocols using this. Portal done a lot of volume on Wormhole. Mayan done a lot. Allbridge done a decent amount. CCTP, Wormhole integration, native token transfers. It's ridiculous. Top 10 transferred tokens, USDC comfortably the furthest ahead. This is ridiculous. Like, the analytics on this are outstanding. Everything about this screams usage. And this is happening while we're not parabolic. And here's the thing. In a bull cycle, we see it every time. The bridging that occurs during a full-blown bull cycle gets ridiculous. This is going to explode in usage when we go parabolic. It's going to be absolutely wild. They'll probably double, if not treble, the sort of daily volumes that they're doing. And when that happens, what's going to happen for Wormhole? People are going to get more excited about Wormhole. People that are using it more are probably going to invest in it more, right? It's just a natural the natural psychology of what happens with retail investors. The user base go, I mean, you know what? I'm using Wormhole so goddamn much now. I'm going to invest in Wormhole. And that could easily happen. The net development in such a small space of time has been nothing short of outstanding. It's incredible. We've got builder competitions that, as you can see, this is Sigma's via Wormhole's builder competition. Again, you've got $1 million in prizes and funding. They're committed to growing this at an enormous rate. Now, regarding token unlocks, there are token unlocks coming. You can see the schedule, though. The schedule isn't bad. You know, we are going to see, like, the majority coming out in April of each year. So yeah, 2 billion is going to be released this coming April. So yeah, of course, there's going to be a market dump in April. Like, there's no doubt about it, because some strategic network participants, they're going to dump. Core contributors probably going to want to dump. You also do have small unlocks. So there's about 1.5 mil that come out every day. Now, these are Foundation Treasury tokens, so they're not necessarily going to be dumped on the market. It's going to be more these big events that are dumped on the market. But I wouldn't be overly concerned about price action being hit until sort of April of next year. Now, I really think this is going to hit new all-time high. I really do, because we are seeing its all-time high was $1.61. As of right now, circulating supply, as you can see, about 2.6 billion. But with the net usage, I mean, again, they are doing hundreds of millions. They will be doing, hundreds of millions in a day. They're doing about 29 million a day right now. During a bull cycle, the same thing happens every time. The bridging becomes like parabolic in the same way that the market does. We start seeing the movement of money get parabolic. It happens every time. When I was in the 2017 bull cycle, we were all moving money around all the goddamn time, and it was one of the most frustrating things because we didn't have blockchains like we do now. You know, Ethereum got congested because of crypto kitties. It was one of the most frustrating bloody things around. And that's why Dash started doing really well. That's why Nano started doing really well, and Neo, because it was so easy and quick to move money with them. Now we've got tons of options with Tron and all the other ones, right? But one of the things that still needs to happen is bridging. One of the things that still needs to happen is moving money between blockchains. And Wormhole's usage is going to treble probably. And when that happens, I think we're going to see heavy investment into Wormhole from retail. I think this can get up to $3, especially because it's not on Coinbase yet. Don't forget, they're bridging. They're working directly with Base. Base is Coinbase's layer 2. So inevitably Wormhole's going to land on Coinbase sooner or later. It's going to get a Coinbase bounce, which means it trebles or quadruples or even 5 times. So it's already back to $1 at least. And then from there, what are the chances it can do? It can treble once again. I think it's nailed on for a new all-time high. And I could honestly, like, obviously personal opinion, but I can see a world where this gets $3, maybe higher. Because again, bull cycle, usage of everything goes wild. And if it does, and if we do start, when we start seeing that blow off top bull cycle, the coins that are facilitating the movement of money are going to do well, and Wormhole is at the forefront of that right now. And again, a Coinbase listing to me for this one seems goddamn inevitable. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. Do you think Coinbase are going to list it, first of all? Secondly, do you think this is going to go absolutely nuts? Let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys. And look, we're in a bull cycle right now. If you're not happy or confident in the cryptos you own, get something done about that today. Because these markets are going to rip sooner or later. And if you're holding the coins you're not confident in, it's probably because they're not going to make you any money. And you just watch everyone else making money. That's a crappy position to be in. So as you get onto copymycrypto.com, have a look through the sites. It's the site I run where I share my portfolio with my members. Whenever I'm ready to buy or sell any crypto, I tell my members the crypto that I'm going to buy or sell, the price I'm going to do it at. My members can copy along exactly. They make the same profit as me, but they don't have any work to do at all. On the site, you'll see what my members have earned. You can read their testimonials. You can watch the videos, see the successes that we've had. Everything on the site is public record, so you can verify it all online. If after doing all of that, verifying it all, you like what you see, try out the service, because you've got nothing to lose before these markets rip and probably everything to gain. And that is it from me, guys. I'll see you there, or I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.